Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL. Tonight we're going to start things off talking about one of Jamaica's major logistics, shipping courier companies. That's Mailpac Group Limited, considering a dividend here. It should be a dandy. Coming up, advisor at the board of directors of Mailpac will convene a meeting to kick things off hot in July 1st, just like the summer that we're feeling right here in Jamaica right now. July 1st, 2022, to consider a dividend proposal. It should be a juicy one. Mailpac stock price still below, $3 per share, but they should bounce back eventually this year, whether it's 2022 or 2023. Now, Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited, MJE ticker symbol, updated net asset value here. That's the NAV. Don't confuse it or get it twisted with the market price. Two totally different things. A lot of NAVs, coming out on the stock market. As we discuss on Business Live, whether it's QWI Investments, MJE Investments, or Sagicor Select Funds. In tonight's case, MJE advisory that the daily net asset value for June 21st was cruising just above $17, $17.51 per share Jamaican. Another company now, Lumber Depot Limited, delaying the annual audited financial statements by Lumber Depot, a bit unlike them, but they've had some changes, some structural changes, board of directors, management, sometimes it happens. They do say it's because of COVID, the pandemic, and so forth, although we're at the end of that right now. But Lumber Depot now states expected to submit to the JSE annual audited financials by July 15th, 2022. Now, Sagicor Select Funds Limited, we're coming back to another company, publishing its NAV, net asset value, on the JSE often, every so often, daily, so forth. Sagicor Select Funds here, they got two of them, the financial, manufacturing and distribution, that's Select F and Select MD. As at June 22nd, 2022, the updated NAV for Sagicor Select Funds, let's take them one by one or each. Sagicor Financial Funds, that's Select F, 76 cents and change, and Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing Distribution, that's Select MD, still cruising or hovering around $1.12 or so, having a hard time from a net asset value basis, breaking out from there. So last up tonight, as we go to US markets or overseas markets, we skip over there. Darden restaurants, actually, especially in these times, US markets getting hammered, Dow Jones really getting beaten up, but some companies, especially if it's food, are going to keep up probably with inflation and keep up with some earnings. Darden has the fine dining side and the casual dining side, so they're doing pretty well here, beating earnings expectations and revenue for the quarter. Combined same-store sales climbed by 11.7%, almost 12% year over year. What does Darden own? What do they do? So Darden Restaurants owns actually chains such as Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, and even Capital Grill, and also Eddie V's. Now, revenue was approximately $2.6 billion US for the quarter, and net income, although it was down, they beat expectations, which is why the share price is bouncing. Net income, $281 million US. Nothing to scoff at there. No, but it was lower than the previous year, as we mentioned. But the bottom line is Darden powering through the expectations of a 50% probability of a US recession. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great evening. This is Business Live.